welcome to Bright Side, Bright Side, Bright Side with Aryan. In this video, I will tell you all about Steps at Go app and its tricks and secrets, how you can earn 230 coins instantly and how you can earn many steps. So let's start with the video. So before starting, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the bell icon, and please comment your favorite part and any queries if you have. So let's start. It is the opening screen of Steps at Go app. In this it shows how many steps we have walked and the distance that we had traveled and the calories that we had burnt. So see, when we tap on steps, it shows all about the time when we have walked those steps, and it shows all the distance that we have walked in which time, and it shows the calories, the most calories that we have burned. This shows the steps that we have walked during the week. So this was the basic information about Steps at Go. So let's start. So first, if you have a referral code and if you share it to someone and he joins you with that code, so how to claim that reward? So first we have to click on friends for that, and then when we go down, it shows a screen of invited by you. So then we have to click on view all. Then it shows the screen of the people that we have invited, and simply when they will complete 5k steps, then we can claim their reward and we get 10 coins. See, now my balance is 343 after those 20 coins, and there is the option of getting daily reward here. So we have to watch 5 ads and we will get 5 coins, and we can extend the limits. Like it shows here that daily limit when it shows daily limit reached, just we have to click on extend limit, and there we have to click on extend limit and ad will be shown, and then we can extend limit. By extending limit we can earn more coins. And then now I will show you how to earn coins and steps. So first you have to click on view all. There is one more trick of getting coins, and this is only of getting steps, but we get coins also from it. So there are many achievements in here. So first we have to click on achievement, and then we have to complete the achievements, and then we get steps and coins. And now I will show you how to earn 230 coins instantly. So first, when you go down from this screen, there is an option of in your first 30 days. It is only for the people who have just started with this app and have not completed their first 30 days. So first we have to click on view progress, and just you have to complete these tasks, and we get many coins. Like when we complete this task, we get 100 coins. Like it is written 100 coins have been added to your wallet. And like another, I will show you when we complete this task purchase an offer, 50 coins is added to your wallet. See, we can earn 230 coins from this. So now I will show you how to purchase an offer. So first you have to go on Bazaar, and then there are many offers in here, and if you have to purchase the least coin offer, then you have to click on today's deals, which is only of 9 coins. And see, these things we can purchase only on 9 coins. Like it is written 500 off on Leaf products. Leaf is a very good company and it has very good headphones. And we can purchase it only in 9 coins. And there are many more offers too, like this Max Protein and the Spinbot Gaming and Do You. Like this, we have many offers. and if you have to purchase a thing, not its offer, then you have to get coin free. And then there is many things that are free, and but it has a lot more coins than there. Like if you have to purchase this sneakers, it is 8,000 coins. If you have to purchase this bag, it is 7,000 coins. And now I will show you how to participate in many challenges. Like here are many challenges. I have also participated in many challenges like this. We can just challenge a friend, a friendly challenge, and we can just participate, and we get a rank. And in arena, when we go, and there are many more challenges that are global, like this crypto walk. It has 5 teams in which we have to select on a team and do steps for it. I am in BTC Bitcoin team. Now I will show you how to edit your profile. So first we have to go on profile, and then we have to click on a pencil like thing, and then just we can edit profile in here. And there is an option how you can earn free extra coins. Like there is an option of a turbo time. The turbo time is 7 a.m., 10 a.m., 1:30 p.m., 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. Which 1000 step is 1.5 coins, but in normal 1000 step is 1 coin. And now I will show you how to invite a friend. First we have to go on earn extra coins, and then invite now, and then we can invite with many options like WhatsApp, Facebook, email, etc. So many options. And we can make maximum 100 invites, means 100 referrals. And when I have already told you, when our friend completes 5,000 points, then we get its 10 coins as a reward. And then the people that you are following, we can also compete with them in a weekly challenge. Just we have to go on rank versus friends, and there are my friends, and we can compete with them in here. Here we can also react to many activities and the achievements that our friends have made. Like my one friend has daily limit leashed and upgraded to level 3. Here we can we can also send a emoji like thing, like it is in Facebook, like clapping, funny and fire. And we can also write a comment here, and also we can give reward. And now I will show you how to understand steps that go better. So first we have to, so if you will log in it through Google Fit app, it will have more sensors and more appropriate reading. And then this app only tracks steps by your phone only. If we connect it to fitness tracker, it will not means count the step. And then and then if we have active network connection, it will have a better reading. And then we can lock step set go for a proper step counting. If step set go is not locked, your step won't be counted properly. This will not apply to all the phones. And then if we go outdoor, we have to keep our location on, as when we go outdoor, it will multiply coins by 1.5, but if we do it indoor, it will multiply by only 1. So we can earn more coins when we go out. And there is one level system too, that if we complete our daily limit, we get star, and if we get 3 star, we level up. and if we get a tick mark we are on a safe point, and if we get a flag we have missed the same point, and if we get 3 flags in a row our level goes down. And it has level 1 there is no safe point, means if we get a flag nothing will happen. In level 2 we have safe point nearby, if we get a flag it will go down, but in level 3 it is a little far away, so we have to reach the safe point. It is more difficult to reach the safe point. And in level 4 is the level 4 is more further, so it is very difficult to reach the safe point. And if we get even 1 flag only its level will go down. And in level 5 the tick mark is the furthest, so it is very difficult to do on level 5. So friends, in this video I have tell you the secret tips and tricks of this app, how to earn more coins in just one day, and how to get many steps like 5k steps in 1 minute, and many coins how you can get. So this only in this video. And friends, I will give my referral code in the description, and please join with that code and you will also get more benefit with that. So this only in this video. Till my next video, bye bye.